Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. In this video I am going to tell you how to find out last shutdown time in Windows 10. So just go to here, run option, and type here event vwr.msc. Just press enter. Now you can see event viewer open here. Now expand Windows log here, expand it. Now right click on system. Now click here filter current log. Now on the filter tab, just on the event source field, click on drop down. Now you have to select here, find here your user 32. Drop down here and find user 32. Select here. Now on the all event ID here, just type here 1074 and click on OK. Now friends, you can see in the middle pane date and time. So you will get here last shutdown time here. So you can see you will get here last shutdown time on your Windows PC. So you can see, just select anyone and you will get time here. Logged on user is who shut down, who logged on. You can see user is Rakesh. He logged on that time. Logged on that time here. Reason other unplanned here. Shutdown type restart. You can see last time I have restart my PC. So it's showing here. Last login time, this one. Last log time here. So friends, in this video you have learned that how to find out last PC shutdown or restart time. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.